It's the Immigration Annex, OFW Lane. So under ano pa siya? Renovation pa. Kaya medyo mausok dito eh. Alikabok sa mga ginagawa. Ito po yung OFW Lounge pala. That's it. Ito pala. Oh, tingnan nyo po. OFW Lounge. Oh, ha? Oh, ha? World class. Saan yung food? Andoon ang food pala. Oh, ganyan na po. Oh. Wow. Ah, nandun yung food. Kita nyo po? Andun, oh. Yung food is there. Okay. Ayan. Makakatulong kasi ano eh, free food yan. Tapos mas comfortable. And then, merong departures and ano na schedule doon, no? Digitized. Ayun. Tapos merong ano pala, oh. Anong tawag doon? Meron po station for recharging your phones, etc. At ito po, oh. Grabe, no? Mas comfortable sila. Pero wala naman pong higaan. Basta may kainan lang po. Ayun. Syempre, may mga CRs din dyan. Siguro wala pong bathroom. Ayan. Mas komportable ang ating mga OFW. Tapos dun po sa kabila, may exchange. Ayan na agad-agad yung pasukan. Food court sa taas, comfort rooms dito sa may gilid. Ayun po, multi-level parking and elevator, shopping area. Ayun. So, may currency exchange. Diyan. Okay. Ayan. Entering. Oo, dito po agad-agad ang OFW Lounge. Strictly for OFWs only. So, OWA, DMW, Department of Migrant Workers. Diba? Ganyan po, no? So, for example, ayun po, free calls to OWA available. Ayan po. And then you have your schedule of flights for departures, destination, Singapore, Korea, Saigon, Taipei, Kuala Lumpur, etc. Ayan. Check-in, open. Pwede na pala dyan. Tapos boarding. O, tingnan nyo po. Ay, grabe. Strictly for OFWs only. Siyempre naman. Tingnan nyo po. Andyan po pala yung food. Banda, Look. Diba? Free food po yata. Iyan eh. Tingnan nyo po. Free food. Nakalagay OWA, OFW Lounge, strictly for OFWs only. For entry, please present valid passport, valid OEC, and valid airline ticket. So, kailangan mo lahat yan para ikaw ay makapasok po doon. So, may helpline 1348 with smart virtual number at saka ayan. Di ba ang ganda? OFW Lounge. Inside, parang wala pong CR kasi nasa labas po yata yung CR. Yan o. Sa runway, that's a big Airbus. Ay, parang hindi pa. Oo, parang hindi pa siya talaga. Babalik pa yan siya, syempre. Because there's so much to live for. Live every second, every minute of your life to the max. Right? I'm actually waiting for a plane to take off. A taking off airplane. I saw two Philippine Airlines. Okay, they have already taken off, but I was not able to capture. So I am waiting for another one. So I saw one Airbus passing by. I thought it would take off, but it did not. Maybe it has just arrived. This one is Cebu Pacific. Ayan, you have seen already the OWA, the beautiful FW Lounge. Yes. However, I cannot enter because of course I don't have the necessary requirements. There! Take off, fly, fly my friends. Yes. Reach for your dreams. Okay. Take care everyone. God bless you.